here from Go for Grooming. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and I think it's a horse grooming set. So let's get started. So first thing, you need a butter knife or scissors or whatever you got. So I will just cut in. And that's what it looks like inside. So let's open it. Let's get it out. Let's rip it. It's from Weaver. So, get in it. And it has these little tight things. Pull it open. And then this is what's inside. It looks like inside. And so let's open it. First thing I pull out is the soft brush. See? And the next thing I pull out is the water safer. So, yeah. And then the dandy brush. And then I pull out the comb. And then the next thing I pull out is this brush. This is the mane and tail brush. And then this brush, what I would do is I would use this to clean them. Oh, and this also has Weaver on it. All this has Weaver on it. This does, but it's kind of fake off from the But here's the hoof pick. And it also says Weaver. The next thing is the curry comb. And it fits on your hand like that. And then the next thing I'm going to get to is the band. The band is pink and gray. And it also has Weaver on it. But it's really deep in there. And then it has all these pockets. And then it has this thing that you can hold it. And this is the bed. It has this rope and it's deep. And then it has these ropes around it to hold all the stuff in. So that's the Weaver kit. So, and this is stuff I'm adding. I'm adding horse treats, and then I'm adding a halter. So, I really, really love my horse grooming kit, and I put everything in real fast. So, first I put in my hoof pick. Oh, and then also what I didn't show you is it has the weaver CAD. This I will put in because I don't want it getting lost falling out. So the 2 combs. What I would use this for is like cleaning them because my horse has a really thick tail and it can break the bristles. So I like just using it for cleaning. I can put it in a pocket. And then I will put this. I get all this out first. I mean, I could put it in there. See, and I like how to put it in there. It's just I like how you can put these in the pockets, but the only thing I don't like is that the pockets are so small, but this is really deep in. So I just put my bristle and then I will, and it's really, really, really deep in there, which I really like. So I would put my halter in. And this halter is actually a rope halter. And it's purple. Because my horses really like purple. It's all tangled up for some reason. Now, the horse treats in this, I bought separate. So, yeah, so this is the halter. And it has a, and the lead rope 6 foot, and it has hair at the end. I don't know why, but this is really sewn, and the horses can't break it. It's kind of like wood, but it ain't. It's just sometimes soft wood, so it don't hurt their nose. So, yeah. My horse treats him. I'll show you how to hold it again. So with all the stuff, you could hold it like this. Or you could hold it like this. Or you could hold it over it. It will fall. And it has your adjustable things. So you can put it like that. But what I really, really like is about it, I like the whole thing, but only thing is, but these ropes are really long. But that's the weaver set, horse grooming set. So bye. Ani Ovei Otsa means I love you in Hebrew. Bye, guys.